ang kasal ay hindi natatapos sa araw ng kasal ng mag-asawa, hindi natatapos. Ito'y nagsisimula pa lamang, ano? Kaya kung titingnan natin ang ating ilang mga drawings na illustration kung paano kayo nagkakilala hanggang sa maabot ninyo ang inyong pangarap sa buhay bilang mga mag-asawa, no? Angelica, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Robbie na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas, malituntunin ang ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
With the Lord. Sila po tinanong ko noon, bakit ba gusto niyo magpakasal sa simbahan? Pwede naman kayo sa West na lang. Ay mahalaga po, gusto po namin kami mabindisyonan ng Diyos ang aming pagsasama at ang aming sumpaan. Sabi ko, may good news ako sa inyo. Hindi lamang kayo bibindisyonan ng Diyos, kayo ay sasamahan. Kaya magiging bahagi ng inyong buhay ay ang Diyos.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always so well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do.
Tinanong ko rin po sila kung saan na yung kanilang pangarap, at ang pangarap nila ay maging maligayang pamilya.
You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
At ikaw naman, Robbie, sumasangay ka ba na maging may bahay si Angelica na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas, alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
So la 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything. Yeah, yeah. So la 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 la.
Robbie, regalo sa iyo si Angelica, no? At Angelica, regalo sa iyo ng Diyos. si Robbie.
La la la.